Okay, I'm going to work number 21 with you. If you've done your homework, you can check your answer with this. But some of you may be having difficulty because this isn't super easy. You'll be doing a lot of this in AP. Finding the rate law, remember I told you have to use experimentation. So we use the initial concentrations and the initial reaction rate. This is 3 separate experiments. So we can use these to find the rate order. Now remember, our rate order is our rate equation is always K and then just the reactants. You never put the products in this, okay? So we need to find out what these exponents are over here, okay? And the way we do that is we find an experiment where the one we're looking for changes, but the one we're not looking for doesn't. So let's look for C3H6O first. Well, in trial 1 and 2, it doesn't change. So we need to look at trial 1 and 3, because in these 2 trials, the concentration changes, but this concentration of Br2 does not. So we know the Br2 is not affecting our rates, just the first one. So if we look at this, we can say, all right, take the bigger one divided by the smaller one. So 0.2 divided by 0.1, this has doubled. So now you do this. Take this and divide it by that. Always go in the same order. So punch it in your calculator, 3.28 second EE times 10 to the negative 5 divided by 1.64 negative 5, and you come up with a 2. Okay? So this, the rate has also doubled. So what power of that makes it that? So it would be 2 to the first power equals 2. So 1 is going to be our rate order for that first thing. So the rate order is the exponent. Now let's find BR. So BR, we're going to look for BR. Let me make a different color. For BR, it changes in these first 2 equations. And the C3H6O does not change. So we will be able to see how this affects it. So once again, we will go 0.2 divided by 0.1, and we can see that our concentration has doubled. So we want to see what happens to a rate. Well, look at this. The rate, if we divide this by this, we get 1. So what power of 2 changes it to 1? Well, the 0 power. So 2 to the 0 equals 1. So this is to the 0 power. So we can rewrite our rate law, because we know anything to the 0 power is 1. So we don't have to put it in a problem where we are multiplying by it. So this is our final rate law. If you have any questions about rate laws, just text me.